The scientific method is very important to psychology, as it is a science. There are a total of 7 steps. Step 1 being you make an observation. Step 2 is you ask a question. Step 3 is you do some research about your question. Step 4 is you come up with a hypothesis. Step 5 is you run an experiment to test your hypothesis. Step 6 is collect that data. And step 7 is you come up with a conclusion regarding the data. Let's look at a quick example using Stanley Milgram's shock experiment. During World War II, Milgram made an observation that everyday ordinary people could turn into systematic killers. Milgram then asked,
under what conditions would a person obey authority who commanded actions that went against conscience? These are exactly the questions that I wanted to investigate at Yale University.
For step 3, Milgram then started doing his homework on obedience and authority. For step 4, Milgram made a hypothesis, or a prediction. He predicted that everyday ordinary people would obey authority figures even if that meant harming someone else. Spoiler alert, he was right. For step 5, Milgram set up an experiment to test his hypothesis by instructing participants to shock a learner for every wrong answer that they gave. And for every wrong answer that they gave, the shocks increased in intensity to the point where they could have even killed the learner. For step 6, Milgram analyzed the data and found that participants followed orders to administer high-level shocks that could have even killed somebody, even after hearing the learner's cries. For step 7, Milgram came up with a conclusion that everyday ordinary people are willing to obey an authority figure's orders even if that means harming someone else. Now, what do you think? Would you, an everyday ordinary human being, obey an authority figure that you trusted and respected even to the point of harming another human being under the right circumstances? Go ahead and leave a comment and or help me out and give this video a like. Catch you later.